Welcome to Time Zone at SM Mall of Asia, one of the biggest and most exciting arcade destinations in the Philippines. Located on level 3 of the South Main Mall, Time Zone is packed with fun for visitors of all ages. Whether you're a serious gamer, visiting with friends, or enjoying a family day out, there's something here for everyone. As you walk around, you'll find a huge selection of games, from classic arcade favorites and basketball shooters to racing simulators, dance games, claw machines, and the latest virtual reality attractions. One of the highlights is the impressive racing simulators, where you can test your driving skills against friends. If you're looking for something different, you can also experience immersive VR games that make you feel like you're inside the action. Tell me in the comments if this is something you want to try out for yourself. Time Zone also features private karaoke rooms where you can sing your favorite songs with family and friends. It's a great place to celebrate birthdays, hang out after shopping, or simply enjoy a fun-filled day together. Comment down below who you think is going to win this race. Instead of using coins, Time Zone uses a rechargeable power card, making it quick and convenient to jump from one game to another without carrying loose change. Whether you're aiming for the high score, collecting tickets for amazing rewards, or just making unforgettable memories, Time Zone at SM Mall of Asia is a must-visit entertainment destination. Every corner offers a new challenge and a chance to win tickets that can be exchanged for exciting prizes. This is their amazing selection of unique and fun prices. If you're planning a trip to Mall of Asia, don't miss the chance to experience the excitement, friendly competition, and non-stop fun that Time Zone has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures.